What is going on, guys? It's a beautiful day today. We're on the way to Fresno right now. We're not in the Mustang, as you can see. We're taking the Civic. I want to save some gas and I couldn't get my car in the show. I registered a month and a half too late, so I wasn't able to make it in. But long story short, I'll cut it straight to the clips, and you guys stay tuned because there's 2 steps, dad races, which seem pretty fun.
Mile, turn left onto W Street.
And we got that going off. But stay tuned, guys, and next clip, I'll be at Cali Creamy, Fresno, California. We're outside again. We just left the inside. We got some pretty sick cars out here as well. Follow this guy on Instagram. I don't remember his app, but pretty sick. We got cars over there. If you guys don't know, we're at the Fresno Fairgrounds, and we got cars everywhere. So stay tuned, because there's a lot of cars here. But right here, we got a few Mustangs over there as well. They're pretty sick. We got Mustangs right there. There's more over there. 5.0 liter Coyote Performance. This thing's pretty sick. Oh shit. I didn't even notice, but there's a fucking Lambo right here. How did I not notice this? I have no idea. But man, this is clean. Check this bad boy out. Pretty sick. Now we got a Charger right here. Got a pretty slam down Mustang. Same hood as mine. We got the same hood as mine as well. And we got more cars in there. This car's pretty sick. 6GR project. There's more cars in there.
Hold on. Your time sets the pace. Whatever time you set.
We got another Mustang over here. This thing's pretty sick. Pretty bad. Look at that. This thing's pretty sick. We got some more Slam Mustangs over here, so I'll take you guys to that.
Alright, are we ready to start? Wait. Alright.
Check this out. Fuck. Dark Horse looking clean. 4 stars on this bad boy. This color is sick. Where's 302 from? I love this color on the 5.0s. Hose. Shit's sick. Yeah, Disney. Ooh. Look at that carbon right here. Hey, check out the carbon. Shoot. Roush Supercharger, pretty sick. This thing looks badass right here now. With the gap came on from Texas. We got a Roush 63 right here. RTR Mustang right here as well. This thing's sick. Shit. Did we just end up in 5.0 heaven, or why is there so many 5.0s here? Shout out 302 Coyotes. Don't know where they're from. First time seeing them, but there's some sick cars here. Sick 5.0s, and there's more Lambos, few Audis. I'll cut right over to those after I show you guys this. Mustangs are all pretty sick. Is that a GTR pulling up over there, or? There's a GTR pulling up. We got a GTR coming in right now. This is sick right here. Red and purple, interesting choice. It's pretty sick. We got more Mustangs over here as well. I'm gonna cut over right to all the other Saudi cars that are there, alright? Right here, check out this. We made it to another, holy shit, the first thing that caught my eye, this Lambo over here. Oh shit. This thing's sick, but I'll take you guys a whole walk around. Look at that shit, bro. This trash is pretty sick, but got this Lambo right here. Insane color. Yeah, this thing's pretty sick. We got STO, fucking everything here. Hey, when you just want to fit in, cars everywhere. That Lambo was insane though. Check this out. What the? Pretty sick. Yellow jacket tuning? What? Scat bag. Haven't seen one of this here. This thing's sick. Love that Lambo, and that Lambo's my favorite right there. Oh shit, black on black Ferrari. Oh shit. Oh shit. I haven't seen one of this bad boys in a while. They're sick. Told y'all there was gonna be some sick cars. First time seeing one in person. cars right here. This thing's pretty sick. We got an Audi over there. That looks pretty sick.
Cali creamy.
M3 Comp with the red guts. We got this is sick right here. You guys know I had to get a drink. It's getting too hot, but we got a GT350 here, or GT5, GT500. So yeah, GT350, GT500 on the drag bag. Looks insane. Got the minivans out here. Soccer mom's pulling out a hot. We got another GT5 Terminator bag. Damn, this thing's clean. Bag that's SS50.
Whoever's the owner of this situation here. Here's the division. Thank you very much.
Damn, this strap looks sick in person.
Whoever is the owner of the Volkswagen, beautiful.
There he is.
So we got this right here. I'm pretty sure this is the owner of Street Arrow. This thing's insane. Fully gutted. The huge tires. Look at that back there. Fully gutted. We got a GT3. We got a few Civics down there. A few Teslas. Let's just it. This thing's clean. This Mustang's sick. And with the boy Jake Cubs over here. BMP Whipple on it, State Street, insane on the SX50. This looks sick with the butterfly doors.
You hear what he just said right now?
He just said.
Well, you don't understand the ignorance I have to pay him right now.
He just said.
Free DJ party for 4 hours. What area? Fresno area?
Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2 because part 2 there's a 2-step going on and there's a 2 JC Swap Lambo. So subscribe and see you guys later.